Imagine never running out of power while camping or during blackouts. That freedom is real. Welcome to my channel, where we reveal the top 5 foldable solar panels you can rely on. Stay till end for best pick, buy through links in description, and power your life smarter today with confidence. At number 5 is DOKIO 100-watt portable, foldable solar panel. A sudden blackout during a trip can turn freedom into frustration, especially when your devices die far from any outlet. In the world of top 5 foldable solar panel options, one compact solution stands out for travelers who need reliable energy on demand. The DOKIO 100-watt portable foldable solar panel feels like a lifeline for campers, RV owners, and emergency prep users. Its lightweight design, only 6 pounds, folds down to 21 inches by 20 inches by 1 inch, making it easy to carry anywhere. The monocrystalline cells deliver efficient charging even in weak sunlight, while the separate volume controller adds safety against overload and short circuits. A 9.85 feet cable allows flexible placement in direct sun while keeping your gear shaded. USB ports support phones and small devices during emergencies. Compared to bulkier options like rigid panels from Renogy, it wins on portability, though slightly less powerful in peak output. Ideal for off-grid simplicity and travel freedom today.
At number 4 is Dongindar 40-watt foldable solar panel. Power disappearing during outdoor trips feels like losing control of everything. Phones dying, GPs shutting down, and no charging point in sight leave travelers stranded. An anxious compact charging solution designed for real outdoor freedom changes that experience completely. This lightweight Dongindar 40-watt foldable solar panel brings fast solar charging with high-efficiency cells. It delivers QC3 fast charging for phones, tablets, and power banks while maintaining safety protection against overcurrent and road trips. Compared with heavier 100-watt camping panels, it sacrifices
Delivers efficiency, 25% conversion for size seeking dependable pocket-sized solar freedom. This unit quietly turns sunlight into confidence move.
On number 3 is BigBlue folding waterproof solar panels. A sudden storm can turn outdoor freedom into silence when every device dies at once, but lightweight solar charging technology is changing how adventurers stay connected. In the world of top 5 foldable solar panels, one name stands out for rugged reliability. BigBlue folding waterproof solar panels deliver efficient 25.4% conversion using high-efficiency cells designed for real outdoor demand. Dual ports with smart chip detection adjust charging for phones, tablets, and power banks. At just 1.47 pounds, it folds easily, making it ideal for hiking, camping, and emergency kits. Compared to bulkier options like Renogy panels, it wins on portability but sacrifices raw power output. Ideal for campers, hikers.
It favors mobility over large-scale output. IP44 water resistance helps against light rain, though ports need protection, making it a reliable off-grid companion for modern explorers. At number 2 is Solupup Efficiency Bifacial Solar Panel. Imagine tripling your solar charging power without adding extra panels. This is where portable energy suddenly feels futuristic instead of frustrating. In the world of top-tier foldable solar solutions, the Solupup Efficiency Bifacial Solar Panel changes how outdoor power is experienced. The biggest pain for campers and RV travelers is slow, unreliable charging when sunlight shifts or weakens. This 200-watt monocrystalline setup solves that with a dual-sided bifacial design that captures sunlight from both front and rear, pushing conversion efficiency beyond 30% in strong conditions. It pairs directly with power stations like Anchor, Jackery, EcoFlow, and Bluetti through its MC4-5 in 1 DC cable system, making plug-and-play setup effortless. At 12.9 pounds, it is still portable, but heavier than ultra-lightweight camping panels like BigBlue, trading mobility for serious energy output. ETFE coating and IP65 protection make it durable in rain and dust, ideal for RV owners, overlanders, and off-grid backup users who need faster, smarter solar generation in real field conditions that redefine outdoor independence. Now moving to the last one is Renogy 200-watt foldable solar panel. A silent blackout during a remote trip can turn comfort into chaos within minutes, leaving even seasoned travelers powerless and disconnected. In the evolving world of premium foldable solar solutions, the Renogy 200-watt foldable solar panel steps in like a field-tested energy rescue system. The real struggle for RV owners and campers is inconsistent charging under shifting skies, and this unit tackles it with 25% high-efficiency N-type cells that extract more energy from the same sunlight. Its quad-fold lightweight design at 13.89 pounds and compact 23.72 by 22.99 by 1.97 inch fold makes it surprisingly portable for a 200-watt class. USB CPD output, dual USB ports, and MC4 compatibility allow direct charging for devices and power stations like EcoFlow, Jackery, and Bluetti. Compared with Solupup bifacial models, it lacks rear light capture but offers stronger stability and refined usability. Ideal for RV explorers, overlanders, and emergency backup users who value structured power delivery over experimental designs, this panel turns unpredictable sunlight into dependable off-grid confidence in real outdoor conditions that matter most. If I had to choose one winner from all 5 foldable solar panels, the clear edge goes to the Renogy 200-watt foldable solar panel. The reason is simple but powerful real-world performance meets trust. While others focus on portability or niche features, this one balances high 25% efficiency, stable 200-watt output, and true off-grid reliability in a way that actually solves travel power anxiety. Compared to lighter options like BigBlue or Dongindar, it delivers far more usable energy for power stations, RVs, and emergency backup without feeling fragile or underpowered. Even against Solupup bifacial gains, Renogy stays more consistent and easier to deploy in unpredictable outdoor conditions. It is ideal for campers, van lifers, and emergency users who want dependable energy instead of experimenting with limits. The trade-off is slightly more weight, but what you gain is confidence that your devices stay alive when nature is not predictable, making it the most balanced choice overall for real outdoor power needs. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 foldable solar panel. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.